This young boy from Texas, so excuse my grammar. Big booty, my standards, Deuce and Fanta. If I'm in the scene, I'm flexing in the camera. Check my fellas, we all flock the same. We birds of the same feather, we together, this forever. Switching bezels every level. Me and Cinco push that two-door coupe. Ain't none of this shit rented. Serving fishes, fuck your favorite rapper. Hope he get offended. I was tripping off that hoe before, but promise I ain't tripping. I was tripping off them Subi jeans, but now my closet drip designer. Got a bag and I couldn't be prouder. Drop a song and your status went nada. In the booth if I'm tryna get proper. I was a schoolboy just tryna get collard greens. Homie outside with Alicia Keys. I made money from mics, they made money from fiends. Root of all evil, what got me them tickets at Regal? So fuck what's illegal, I'm different, I really ain't get a handout. I know half of these rappers were gimmicks. I write my own lyrics, I bought my own pen. All the most but my song screaming fuck your opinion. No need for a nigga to say that I'm winning. It's fuck everybody the way I've been feeling. I got me a bitch and my bitch got a bitch, so they down for a threesome, nigga. This young boy from Texas, so excuse my grammar. Big booty, my standards, Deuce and Fanta. If I'm in the scene, I'm flexing in the camera. Check my fellas, we all flock the same. We birds of the same feather, we together, this forever. Switching bezels every level.
Just a little nigga from the 6 with a motherfucking chip on my shoulder. Check a nigga chin, gon' get this shit over. Chevy or the Benz, he probably get the Rover. But then again, all three what he get to a show, but he never sober. Probably gon' need a chauffeur, cause he ain't underground no more, niggas was gophers. Lo and behold, them hoes say now they know ya. North Pole, South Pole, bitches bipolar. Poor Fourier told me drive slowly. 24 plus more, my drive Kobe. Giving gold, the flow is mine only. One of a kind, you not Obi-Wan Kenobi. Many have tried and failed, parking lot full of shells. When hammers are fly, where the skies, you not low-key. No Avenger friends, we not homies. Wanna live too fast, you not slow. Really you joking, I don't know what these niggas smoking. That shit potent, if you thinking I ain't the whip ghosting. If it go shit, the hip ocean. Twin clips, little nigga, you can get both them. Rap game take over, I'm Jehovah. Getting dirt off on my shoulder, I'm getting older. Way out in Budapest from the crest boulder. I'll be there if you looking over your left shoulder. They be there if I need a nigga to step on you. G's moving in silence, niggas deaf tone. Tone deaf, my songs was being slept on. Fast forward, I'm on bumping in headphones. Shawty wanna take off her thong, jump in the bed, I don't know, but I'm thinking, oh well, give me your cell phone. Cellulite on her ass, titty with silicone. In Atlanta, I love being home. I wanna sit on the throne, I ain't gon' leave it alone. For all the people that speaking out, let's even a skull. Knock on the door, it's a shotgun, you peeping the hole. Niggas asleep on the floor, I used to sleep on the floor. I'm undefeated, you wanna feature, I'm eating your soul. My sister a killer, she be shooting out a kid's hole. Wanna get the kid, it probably cost a couple kilos. Me and Mike rob it for your dime like Debo.
From Texas, so excuse my grammar. Big booty, my standards, Deuce and Fanta. If I'm in the scene, I'm flexing in the camera. Check my fellas, we all flock the same. We birds of the same feather, we together, this forever. Switching bezels every level.